Hi, I'm Tim with Autozone. Today we're talking about how to choose the right brake pad. You may wonder, what is a brake pad? Why are they so important? And why are there so many different types? They clamp on the rotors, creating friction, which slows and stops the rotor, the wheel, and ultimately the vehicle. The friction creates heat and dust, along with tiny shavings of the pad that come off when the brake is applied. Modern pads are typically made out of either semi-metallic or ceramic compound and carry a few differentiating features like slots or chamfers.
Semi-metallic brake pads. Semi-metallics are 30 to 60% metal. These are excellent performers under pretty much any weather condition and provide a firm braking feel with minimal brake fade. Many compound varieties exist, and you can find a quality pad for daily street driving or even hard performance braking. While known for great performance and durability, they also produce a large amount of dust and are a bit noisier than ceramic pads due to the added material. Ceramic brake pads. Ceramics are a smooth, sophisticated choice. They're known for their easy, quiet stops and long-lasting performance. These are made from dense ceramic material, favored for quiet stops and consistent all-around braking performance. Ceramics produce less brake dust. Most of the ceramic dust is vaporized by friction with the rotor. The remaining dust is finer, lighter colored, and lower tendency to stick to the wheels. Ceramics are more expensive, but they may be the better choice for day-to-day driving, although they're not recommended for heavy-duty hauling or aggressive braking. Also, they can underperform in extreme cold conditions. Now let's take a look at the actual parts. First, let's look at the chamfer. The chamfer is the angled edge on the edge of the pad, and it controls the way that the friction is applied to the rotor. It reduces noise and also adds to the break-in of the pads. The brake pad slot runs down the middle of the brake pad, separates the friction into two different components, and provides an escape for the dust and heat. The brake shim is on the back of the pad and acts as a plate between the backing plate and the caliper, used to reduce noise.
Now it's time to decide what type of brake pad you need and what's the best for your driving style. For extreme weather, mountainous driving, towing, and/or braking aggressively, choose a semi-metallic pad. If you're looking for less aggressive braking with quiet, clean wheels, choose a ceramic pad. Duralast is a great option both in-store and at the link below. For more tips and information, like and subscribe below.